Uh, One of the more amazing people in the 1800s is a woman named Madame Helena Blavatsky. She was self-educated. She ended up traveling extensively into places like Nepal, and she meditated very deeply and claimed to be in contact with spirits of various sorts that, in fact, have been involved with planet Earth for millennia. She founded the Theosophical Society, a combination of philosophy and theology. And out of this came two amazing people, Charles Leadbeater and Annie Besant, who were key members of this from the 1880s, 1890s on up to 1920. And they wrote a book called Occult Chemistry, whereby they did deep meditation and were able to look into the microcosm of the atom. And they discovered that there was a nuclei there with protons and neutrons, and the protons and neutrons were made up of subquarks. Three subquarks make one quark, three quarks make one proton or one neutron, different types of subquarks. And they also discovered electrons running around in a cloud around the nucleus. And they discovered isotopes. Some nuclei have a certain number of protons, a certain number of neutrons, and another one might have a certain number of protons, but an extra neutron or one less neutron. That's an isotope. So, for example, carbon has 6 protons and 6 neutrons, but then there are two other isotopes of carbon, one that has 7 neutrons and one that has 8 neutrons. And truly amazing how all this came out of this very small group.